Fluffy. Fluffy. What's this furry? The weather is getting colder and colder. We can't let our furry kids sleep on the floor anymore. We looked at many shops selling cribs. The new ones are more expensive. Today we went to the second-hand furniture market to take a look. Finding the right crib for your furry friends. Dean's son said Dowding can be taken home today. Doty is very well behaved and recovered very well. Hello everyone, I am Liangzi. The 24 furry kids we have come to our yard are all ready. Day 8. It's the 8th day. Today we took these furry kids out of the house. Because the space is really too small, isolation has been going on for such a long time, we are going to put them all in a kennel outside today. There are a few older furry children. We were locked up alone. Because we found out in the past 2 days, some of the smaller furry kids are bullied by the bigger ones. So we moved all our furry kids out of the house. Switched them all off. There are a few older furry kids locked in the bigger cage. Let's vacate this kennel for the remaining furry kids. Lock them up here. 24 furry children were moved to the outside enclosure. Still a little strange and scary. Begin to explore the courtyard carefully. Their bright eyes look around. I am eager to explore this familiar yet fresh courtyard. The 24 furry children are like little angels. Their eyes sparkled with excitement and curiosity. Each one has a unique story and charm. Suffering from the storm. Fear in my heart. But from now on this will be their safe haven. Look how old you are. Children, this will be your home from now on. The cribs ordered for the furry kids have arrived. Although I can't give them better. But a second-hand crib can still solve their sleeping problem. Let them stop sleeping on the ground to prevent them from getting sick and catching colds. More than 80 furry children in the courtyard have their own supplies. We will gradually add them. Anan. Anan has already chosen the crib she likes. This mat that I made for my furry kid hasn't arrived yet. Let's lay this out first. Hey, the temperature is going to drop in the next 2 days. There is a 7 lying on this. Golden Autumn. Golden Autumn. The furry kids can't wait to experience the new bed. Each one runs back and forth with the same one in front. Go down, go down. It's not paved yet. Who is this? This big ball. Come down, come down, come down. Daniel, this is the Golden Autumn again. Wait a minute. Don't mess around. Stop making trouble. Good. Anan is the first to go up. Anan, do you like this bed? This is mainly. If you don't lie on the ground, you won't feel cold at night. If there is no cushion, the current temperature can. But the temperature will drop in 2 days. Look at this woman whose bed is broken. How long has it been? It's been 4 or 5 days since I changed it. They are bitten. The destroyer of the courtyard is online. Fluffy. What's this furry? What the heck is this? How is this so similar? Then like your sleeping blanket. Why does this look so much like the blanket you sleep on? Ah, rich. Why does this look so much like your sleeping blanket? Look at you two. Look at you two. You two will tear each other apart in a moment. You two will be in trouble soon. Mau Mau, this is the blanket for you to put on the bed. You give me. You give me, and you give me too. There is nothing we can do about these cute and quirky furry kids. Come, lay it for you. Bouncing. Why are you running here again? Milk.